Here's how to make a Jersey club track on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. Let's start with our drums. This sets the foundation for any Jersey club track. By the way, the tempo we're using for this track is 145 beats per minute. This is the kick pattern for every Jersey club track. It hits on the first beat, the second beat, then hits on the third beat, and plays this almost triplet pattern at the end, where it hits on the first, fourth, and seventh steps. Here's how this sounds. By the way, I usually lay my drums down inside of the channel rack, but for simplicity's sake, I've done it in the playlist because it makes it way easier for you guys to follow. Then we're going to add this hi-hat pattern. I've used a drill hi-hat, and you can see that some of these hi-hats are louder than the others. You can simply click on this button here and drag up and down to increase or decrease the volume. This makes your hi-hats sound way more human and less robotic. Then we can add some snaps, an open hat, this snap, and some transition effects. Then if we open the channel rack, we can send these all to mixer tracks, where we can click Control, Shift, and drag over all of these, and then right click on a new mixer track down here, and select route this track. All of the drums will then be routed to one track where we can start adding effects. I've added a thermal to saturate the drums and make them sound more full, and an RC20 retro color to make these sound more realistic like they're being played live, and also add some reverb. Here's how this sounds. Now let's go on to our chords. For Jersey Club, there isn't really a specific chord progression or anything that you have to follow. You can use whatever chords you like. Jersey Club is characterized by the drum pattern. This is the chord progression that I'm using, which uses suspended chords to create a real dark sound to it. We can then take any kind of key or pad preset. I'm using this key from my plugin GrainX4, which has over 400 different presets. Here's how this sounds. Then let's layer the chords up with other presets to fill this out. I'm using this pad preset, which is a morph preset inside of GrainX4. This uses morph mode, which is modulated by an LFO to switch between all the different samples that are being played, creating a super glitchy gated texture, which sounds super unique. And then finally, let's copy the root notes of the chords with a bass sound. I'm using this sub bass, which you probably won't be able to hear if you're listening to this on iPhone speakers. I then merged all of these patterns together, right-clicked up here and rendered as one audio clip, which I then dragged into the playlist and decided to pitch down by 3 semitones. I then rendered another version of this without the gated texture sound, which I'll use during the verse. These Jersey Club beats typically have R&B vocals. Well, not all of them, but I've heard a few different tracks that use R&B vocals, so I've decided to use one for this track. You can find these on sites like Splice. Just make sure that when you use them, you pitch them so that they're in the right key. And what I mean by that is the same key that you're using in the rest of the track. In this case, I had to pitch this down by 4 semitones. I then decided to send the rendered audio clips to one mixer track, number 21, where I added this RC20 retro color and the Vinyl 1 preset. This helps it sound darker. For mixing, there's not too much that needs to be done. Just make sure you level all of your sounds. I've used an ozone on the master just to make the track sound as loud as possible. I've also soft clipped it to give it that punchy, distorted sound. But you can achieve this just by going here and adding a soft clipper to the master track. And that is a super simple guide on how to create a Jersey Club track on FL Studio. Here's how this final track sounds. By the way, if you want access to GrainX4, it's currently 70% off and linked in the description of this video. This is my plugin with over 400 different presets, so make sure to check it out.